And that's why it's stupid. That's why I called it a stupid post.
They don't have to agree with
you know who your employer is. You know Hollywood is left-leaning. You know somebody's going to see it.
So it's not like the thing is, the difference here, and this is what I'm...
Looking at an excessive heat warning for the Coachella Valley that will last through tonight into tomorrow afternoon.
This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. This had been an actual emergency. An official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
It'll move into the Bay of Campeche, and then steering currents will eventually begin moving it beginning Friday, and eventually into the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, where the waters are very warm. Matter of fact, low 80-degree sea surface temperatures, and it should make landfall around Louisiana as a tropical storm, possibly a Cat 1 hurricane by Sunday or Monday of next week. Here's your forecast: 111 today, hot 110 tomorrow. Excessive heat warnings in effect through tomorrow. Then Friday, the numbers come down. It'll get a little gusty second half of Friday with a high in Palm Springs of 96 degrees. The weekend, awesome, low 90s. Lots of sunshine Saturday and business.
Well then, that was Riverside and San Bernardino County's monthly test, y'all. Yeah. I missed KFRG though, even though I did hear the test on KFRG. Oh well. That's Riverside and San Bernardino counties for ya. Bye now.